Good morning, student. In previous classes, we have already completed almost the chapter number 1, rational number. Let's start the chapter number 2, power. Already we have learned about the power and exponent in the class of 7. In this chapter, we are going to learn some important formula related to power and exponent. Now, let's start the chapter number 2 is power. Exponential form 3 raised to 4. Here 3 is the base and 4 is the power. This is read as the 3 to the power of 4 or the 3 to the 4th power. In the exponent form 3 raised to 4. Here 3 is called to the base and 4 is called to the power. I repeat again, 3 is the base and 4 is the power. It means 3 raised to 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means that number is repeated to 4 times. This is called to the exponential form. Now some important formulas are, first one is a की power m into a की power n equals to a to power m plus n. If we take a equals to 2, m equals to 3 and n equals to 4. So we can write 2 की power 3, 2 की power 4 equals to 2 की power 3 plus 4 according to the formula. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. Now the second one is a to power m divided by a to power n equals to a to power m minus n when m is the greater than of n. Now if a equals to 2, m equals to 4 and n equals to 2, so 2 to power 4 and 2 to power 2 equals to 2 की power 4 minus 2. That means 2 की power 4 minus 2 means 2. Now the third one is a की power m multiply n equals to a की power m into n. Here a equals to 2, m equals to 3 and n equals to 2. Now we can write 2 की power 3 and whole की power 2 and 3 2s are 6. Now the fourth one is a की power minus m equals to 1 upon a की power m. Here when the power is the negative, it is to convert it into the denominator form. That means if a equals to 2 and m equals to minus 5, तो वी कैन राइट 2 की पावर माइनस 5. दैट मीन्स 1 अपॉन 2 की पावर 5. मीन्स जब भी कोई भी पावर नेगेटिव में होती है तो वो डिनोमिनेटर में जाके क्या बनती है, पॉजिटिव हो जाती है. ओके, नाउ द फिफ्थ इज द इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूला a की पावर 0 इक्वल्स टू 1. दैट मीन्स इफ एनी नंबर्स पावर इज 0 इट इज इक्वल्स टू ऑलवेज इट 1. सपोज इफ a इक्वल्स टू 2, तो 2 टू पावर 0 मीन्स 1, 5 टू पावर 0 मीन्स 1. Suppose 1000 to power 0, it is always to 1. Now the sixth and the last formula, a की power m into b की power m equals to ab whole की power m. Here the bases are the different, means a and b both are the different bases, यानी कि दोनों values क्या हैं, different है, but the power is same. So the bases are the multiply and then power is common. So we take a equals to 2 and b equals to 3 and m equals to 3 also. Now 2 की power 3, 3 की power 3. When the bases are the different, so it is to multiply, then 3 2s are 6 and the power is common, that means 3. Now it is different for to 1 to 5th formula. ये जो 6th वाला फॉर्मूला है वो 1 से लेके 5 फॉर्मूले से डिफरेंट है, बिकॉज ऑफ 1 to 5th फॉर्मूले में सब में बेसिस आर सेम एंड पावर आर डिफरेंट, बट इन दिस फॉर्मूला बेस आर द डिफरेंट एंड पावर विल बी equal. Now the some important reminder, now the some important note, when the base are the same, both the side the power are equal. Again I repeat, when the base are same, both the side power are equal. So let's check. 2 की power 3 into 2 की power 5 equals to 2 to power n. Here both the side means left and right side bases are same, means 2 is the base and then power are the different, so power are equal according to the statement. So we use to the first identity means a की power m into a की power n equals to a की power m plus n. Now we use in this line means 2 की power 3 plus 5 equals to 2 की power n. 3 plus 5 means 8 and 2 की power n. Now we can write bases are the same, both the side the power are equal, so bases are the same, so power is equal means n equals to 8. Now let's start to the exercise 2.1. And the first question is identify the base and the power. में जो भी अपने पास क्वेश्चंस गिवन है उसमें हमें बताना है कि इसमें बेस क्या है और पावर क्या है. लेट्स A question is minus 2 by 3 whole to power 10. So minus 2 by 3 is the base and 10 is the power. And the D portion is minus 9 to power 9. That is bases are minus 9 and power is 9. And remaining question please do yourself. Second question is a find A 5 by 7 whole to power 3. Find means इसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है कि अगर ये एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में है तो एक्सपांड फॉर्म में इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी. सो 5 by 7 whole to power 3 means this term is repeated by 3 times. 5 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 5 by 7. When 5 5s are 25 and 25 5s are 125. 7 7 ja 49 and 49 7 ja 343. Now the E question is minus 1 by 7 whole to power 3. Means this term is repeated by 3 times. इस term को हमें 3 बार लिखना है. So minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 7 into minus 1 by 7. तो 1 1 ja 1 again 1 1 ja 1. But 7 7 ja 49 and 49 7 ja 343. But sign is minus minus plus and plus minus again is minus. So we can write minus 1 upon 343. Now the third one question is write in exponential notation. Exponential notation means कि अपन को क्या करना है पावर की फॉर्म में लिखना है. पहले पावर फॉर्म में गिवन था और हम इसको एक्सपांड फॉर्म में लिख रहे थे मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू फाइंड कर रहे थे. अब इस वे में लिखा हुआ है और हमें इस तरीके से इसको लिखना है. नाउ minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 how many times is 4 times. So minus 3 to power 4 and 1 by 7 how many times 1 2 3 4 so 4 times. So 1 by 7 to power 4. Now the question number 4 which one is smaller. Smaller means इनमें से कौन सा नंबर छोटा है. तो A क्वेश्चन लिया हमने 2 की पावर 3 और 3 to power 2 means 2 की power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 and 3 to power 2 means 3 into 3 that is 9. So what is the smaller number is 2 की power 3. Now we can write 2 की power 3 is the smallest than 3 की power 2. Now take to D part minus 1 by 3 whole to power 3 or 1 by 2 whole to power 2. So we can write minus 1 by 3 whole to power 3 means minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 3. 1 1 ja 1 and 1 1 ja also 1. But minus minus plus and plus minus again is minus. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. And 1 by 2 whole square that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 1 ja 1 and 2 2s are 4. Minus 1 by 27 is the less than of 1 by 4 because it is the negative quantity. So we can write minus 1 by 3 का whole cube is the less than of 1 by 2 का square. Now the question number 5 is compute the following means हमें ये जो क्वेश्चन दे रखे हैं इनको क्या करना है सॉल्व करना है. A question is 2 की power 4 into 4 to power 3 means we use to the formula a की power m n that means a की power m into n. Here the bases are the different so it is convert into the same bases. So 4 means 2 into 2. 4 means 2 की power 2, that is the 4. So we can write here 2 की power 2 whole to power 3. And now we use this formula in this bracket. 3 2s are 6. Now we can write to 2 power 6. And again we use to the first formula a की power m into a की power n equals to a m plus n. So we can write 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 means 10. And 2 की power 10 means 2 into 2 into 2. That means 1024. Now the C part is 5 by 4 whole की power 3 into 3 by 5 whole की power 3. Now it is solved by the two method. First is the simple method. Simple method means 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. Again I 3 times are right, and 3 by 5 means 3 by 5 into 3 by 5 into 3 by 5. And 5 से सारे 5 कट कर दिए हमने. Then 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now when we use to the formula, so we can write 5 to 5 हमने cancel करा, and this is last formula. We use to last formula a की power m into b की power m. That means a b whole की power m. When the bases are the different and power is the equal, so bases are multiply and power is common. So we can write 5 by 4 into 3 by 5. 5 to 5 cancel and 3 by 4 to power 3. 3 की power 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 की power 3 means 4 into 4 into 4, that is the 64. Now the F part is minus 1 by 22 into 1 by 3 cube. That means here is the bases are the different and power is also different. So it is right to the easy method, minus 1 by 22 into minus 1 by 22 into 1 by 3, 1 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. And simply the multiply, the answer will be this one. Now the sixth question is, give that p equals to 1 by 4, find the value. Means if p equals to 1 by 4, find the given value. Now a question is 5p square. Means when we put p equals to 1 by 4 in this question, find the answer. Means p equals to 1 by 4. We put here 5p square. 5p is 1 by 4 का whole square. 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 means 2 times. 1 into 1, that is 1. 4 4s are 16. So 5 1s are 5 and 16 as it is. That is the answer. Now the C part of this question, p cube plus 1 by p cube. Now here p equals to 1 by 4. We put the 1 by 4 is replaced to p. So 1 by 4 cube plus 1 upon 1 by 4 cube. Now that is in denominator. So we can write 4 by 1 cube. ये ऊपर जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको रिप्लेस कर दिया हमने. That is then 4 by 1 का whole cube. Now again 4 cube means 64. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So and 4 cube, that means in 64 again. So 1 by 64 plus 64. Now taking the LCM, because it is a rational number, so we solve in by the LCM method. 64 और 1 का LCM हमने लिया, क्या आया 64. 64 बन जा 64, that is the 1. Plus 1 times 64 means 64. 64 into 64, that is 4096. 4096 plus 1, that is 4097 divided by 64. Now the question number 7. Express the rational number in exponential form. Means जो भी क्वेश्चन हमारे पास गिवन है उन रेशनल नंबर को हमें एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. नाउ द ए क्वेश्चन इज 1 by 49. मीन्स 49 मीन्स द पार्ट ऑफ द 49 इज 7 into 7. So we can write 1 by 7 का whole square. But if the number is the larger, so we use to the prime factor. Let's check 49. The 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So 49 के फैक्टर क्या होंगे? 7 into 7, that is a 49. And now the D part of the question is minus 64 divided by 2197. Now 64 using the prime factor, 64 means 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. That means 2 की power 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 is repeated by 6 times, so we can write 2 की power 6. And now the 2197, it is the factor is 13 into 13 into 13. So we can write 13 cube. But 64 is 2 की power 6 and then denominator is factorized by 13 की power 3. So 2 की power 6 not right here. 2 की power 6 हम यहाँ नहीं लिखेंगे. क्यों नहीं लिखेंगे? Because in the denominator we have to 13 to power 3. क्योंकि जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें हमारे पास 13 है वैल्यू, 13 में 3 आ रही है पावर. सो 2 की पावर 6 वी कैन राइट 4 टू पावर 3 ऑल्सो, क्योंकि 2 की पावर 6 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 की पावर 3. सो वी कैन राइट हियर 4 एंड माइनस साइन इसलिए आएगा क्योंकि माइनस माइनस प्लस एंड प्लस माइनस माइनस, सो माइनस 4 की पावर 3 ऑल्सो. नाउ द डी क्वेश्चन इज, 8th question is find A. The fourth power of minus 1 by 2 equals to minus 1 by 2 की power 4. Means fourth power. Fourth power means minus 1 by 2 की power 4. And the square of the minus 11 by 13. Square means whole the square. And the cube of minus 4 by 7, that is minus 4 by 7 की power 3. Now the remaining question are in the copy. Now the exercise 2.2. Question number 1, verify in the following. The A part is 3 to power 4 into 3 to power 5 equals to 3 to power 4 plus 5 or 3 to power 9. Taking the left hand side means 3 to power 4 into 3 to power 5. Using the identity A की power m into A की power n, that is equals to A की power m plus n. Here A equals to 3, m equals to 4 and n equals to 5 also. So we can write 3 की power 4 plus 5 equals to 3 to power 9, because 5 plus 4 is 9. That is the right hand side. So left hand side equals to right hand side, hence the proof. Now D part is minus 4 to power 5 divided by minus 4 to power 2 equals to minus 4 की power 5 minus 2 or minus 4 power 3. So the taking the left hand side, we take to the left hand side and using the formula A की power m divided by A की power n equals to A m minus n. Now minus 4 m minus n, here A equals to minus 4, m equals to 5 and n equals to 2. So minus 4 की power 3, because 5 minus 2 is 3, that is the right hand side. Now left hand side equals to right hand side, hence proof. Now the question number 2 is determine n. If A part is minus 3 to power 7 into minus 3 to power 3 equals to minus 3 5n, means find the value of n, means determine the n, means the value of n. n की वैल्यू हमें यहाँ पर फाइंड करनी है अगर आपके पास क्वेश्चन ये गिवन है. तो यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला A की पावर m इंटू A की पावर n इक्वल्स टू A m प्लस n. A इक्वल्स टू minus 3, m equals to 7 and n equals to 3. Now the taking the left hand side means minus 3 7 into minus 3 to power 3. 7 plus 3 means 10. That is the equation number 1. In the right hand side we take minus 3 की power 5 and that is an equation number 2. And we know that when the bases are equal then power is also equal. So now from 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2 both are the equal. Here the bases are equal means minus 3 and minus 3 both are the equal. So power is also equal means 10 and 5n दोनों की वैल्यू क्या होगी? इक्वल होगी. तो n equals to 10 by 5. My 5 1 is 5 and 5 2s are 10. That is n equals to 2. That is the. Now the b part of 2 by 5 whole to power 4 into 2 by 5 whole to power 8 equals to 2 by 5 12n. In this question, correction in this question, that is 2 by 5 is not the 2 by 8 is not the correct, that is the 2 by 5. Okay, so please correct the question using a की power m into a की power n equals to a m plus n. So this one is used to this formula 2 by 5 4 plus 8 equals to 2 by 5 12n. So again, when bases are the same both the side, the power is equal. So here 12 equals to of 12n, because the 2 by 5 and 2 by 5 both are the base the same. So 12 and 12n are the equal. Then n equals to 12 divided by 12, that is the 1. The value of n equals to 1. Now the question number E. Minus 9 whole to power 3 and bracket 3 equals to minus 9n plus 3. First we use the formula am whole to power n equals to amn. Now minus 1 means we can write 1 is the minus 1 की power 3 and minus 9 6 whole to power 3 also. Now breakdown of am plus n equals to am into an means here इसको अपने किस में ब्रेक डाउन किया है, जैसे ये वाला होता था तो हम इसको इस तरह से लिखते थे, इस बार इस वे में हमको लिखना है, बिकॉज ऑफ वी नो दैट व्हेन द पावर इज ऑड, अगर पावर क्या है ऑड नंबर में है, जैसे कि यहाँ पर 3 है तो ये साइन जो होगा वो हमेशा क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा, और अगर पावर इवन नंबर में है दैट इज 2 4 6 तो ये क्या होगी, हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगी. -1 to power 3 means -1 into -1 into -1, that is 1 1 ja 1 and 1 1 ja also 1. But when the sign are multiply means minus minus plus and plus minus again, that is the minus. So we can write when the power is odd, अगर power odd number में है तो जो साइन होगा वो भी क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा, और अगर पावर इवन नंबर में है तो साइन भी क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव होगा. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट. माइनस, ये माइनस कौन सा वाला है हमारे पास में, -1 का आया. -9 whole to power 6 की पावर 3 and we use the formula this one a की power m into n. So 6 3s are 18. ठीक है, that is equals to of -9 की power n plus 3. And again we know that कि when the bases are the same both the side the power is equal. So here the base is -9 and -9 both are the same, so power 18 and n plus 3 are the equal. So 18 equals to n plus 3. So जो प्लस 3 है वो इधर जाके माइनस का 3 बनेगा, that is of n. 18 minus 3 means 15. The answer is n equals to. Now the f part is 2 by 9 whole की power 3 divided by 2 by 9 whole की power 3 equals to 2 by 9 and minus 1. Now using a की power m divided by a की power n equals to a m minus n also. So here 2 by 9, 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 because m is 3 and n is also 3. And here right hand side is 2 by 9 n minus 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0 and 2 by 9 n minus 1. Now when the bases are the same power is equal, so 0 equals to n minus 1, that is n equals to -1 इस तरफ जाके क्या बनेगा, प्लस का 1. Not we use here a is 0 equals to 1 because of here equating the power. Okay, so no, not we use a is power 0 equals to 1. Now the question number 3rd is determine n if. जिस तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में हमने n फाइंड किया था, सिमिलरली इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हमें m फाइंड करना है, वैल्यू m की फाइंड करनी है. नाउ लेट्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर a. -5 होल की पावर m इंटू -5 होल की पावर 4 इक्वल्स टू -5 की पावर 5. नाउ यूजिंग a की पावर m इंटू a की पावर n इक्वल्स टू a m प्लस n. नाउ m प्लस 4 equals to minus 5 की पावर 5 and we know that when the bases are the same, अगर बेस सेम होते हैं तो पावर को हम क्या करते हैं, इक्वल करते हैं. इक्वल कर दी हमने, m प्लस 4 इक्वल्स टू 5. सो m इक्वल्स टू, ये 4 इधर राइट हैंड साइड में जाके क्या बनेगा, प्लस का माइनस हो जाएगा, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. 5 में से 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे, दैट इज द 1. सो m इक्वल्स टू 1 इज द वैल्यू. नाउ द ई पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, 25 इंटू 5 की पावर m इक्वल्स टू 5 की पावर 5. अब वी नो दैट व्हेन द बेसिस आर द सेम, बट 25 और 5 इन दोनों के बेसिस क्या है, डिफरेंट है. सो वी कन्वर्ट 25 into the notation form, that is the exponential form. तो 25 मीन्स क्या होता है, 5 into 5 होता है. तो we can write 5 का स्क्वायर, 5 स्क्वायर into 5 की पावर m equals to 5. Using this formula, we take m plus n means 2 plus m. 2 plus m. 2 plus m equals to 5 की पावर 5. Now when the bases are the same, the power is equal. So 2 plus m equals to 5. Now m equals to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3. 3 is the answer. Now in the E part, 1000 divided by 10 to power 8 equals to 1 by 10 की power m. अब here the bases are not the same, so it is convert into the exponential form. तो 1000 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 10 into 10 into 10, that is the 1000. तो we can write 10 की power 3, because 10 कितनी बार repeat हो रहा है यहाँ पर 3 times, तो we can write 10 to power 3. तो 10 की power 3 divided by 10 to power 8 equals to 1 by 10 की power m. Using this formula, a की power m divided by a की power n equals to a m minus n. Now m minus n means 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8. 3 minus 8 means minus का 5. Okay? Because 3 is the smallest number. तो जो लार्ज नंबर है उस पर जो साइन होगा यहाँ पर वही साइन आएगा. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 8 में से 3 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, दैट इज द minus 5. तो 10 minus 5 इक्वल्स टू 10 की पावर माइनस m. माइनस m क्यों हुआ, क्योंकि वी नो दैट a की पावर माइनस m इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन a की पावर m. सो यहाँ इस क्वेश्चन में ये वाली फॉर्म गिवन है, इससे हमने इसमें कन्वर्ट कर दी. नाउ द बेसिस आर द सेम, पावर इज इक्वल, तो पावर को हमने वापस इक्वल करके माइनस से माइनस साइन कैंसिल करा है और m की वैल्यू क्या आई है, 5 आई है.
Now the question number 4, express is the following with the single exponent. Now a question is 3 की power 3 whole की power 2 into 3 की power 4 whole की power 7. First we use this formula, a की power m whole की power n, that means a की power mn. So we can write 3 2s are 6 and 4 7s are 28. Again we use to the next formula is a की power m into a की power n, that is a की power m plus n. So 3 की power 6 plus 28. 6 plus 28 means 3 की power 34. So this expression is with the single exponent digit. Now the D question is 1 by 2 की power 3 into 1 by 2 की power 4 and whole की power 2. That means we break down to 2 की power m, a की power m whole की power n equals to a की power mn. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8 also. Now again the bases are the same, power is a add, so 6 plus 8 equals to 14. Now the question number 5 is the express each of the following with a single exponent. It's the same as the question number 4, but using the next other formulas. So a question is 3 की power 4 divided by 3 की power 7. When using to the divide formula, a की power m divided by a की power n, that is a की power minus m minus n. So we can write 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 means minus 3. So we can write 1 by 3 की power 3, because we know that a की power minus m equals to 1 upon a की power m also. Now the C question is minus 2 by 9 whole की power 7 divided by minus 2 by 9 whole की power 3. That means we use to the a की power m divided by a की power n equals to a की power m minus n also. Using this formula we can write minus 2 की power 9, 7 minus 3, and so 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer this question is minus 2 by 9 whole की power 4. Now the question number 6 is simplify and then express the final result in the exponential form. Means using the whole identities, solve these question. Now A is 5 by 2 whole की power 6 divided by 5 by 2 whole की power 2 into 5 by 7 की power 7. We use in the first bracket the formula a की power m divided by a की power n equals to a की power m minus n also. And then first bracket, so 5 by 2 6 minus 2 means 4. 5 by 7 5 by 2 whole की power 7. So 4 plus 7, that means 11. The answer is 5 by 2 whole की power 11 also. Now the D question is 9 by 19 whole की power 3 divided by 9 by 19 की power 5. And then whole bracket the power is 3. Using in this bracket a की power m divided by a की power n equals to a की power m minus n. So we can write 9 by 19 3 minus 5 whole bracket to the power is 3. 3 minus 5, that means minus 2. So 9 by 19. And use this identity also, a की power m whole की power n, that is a की power m n. So 3 2s are 6, that is minus 6 also. So again we use to this identity, minus a की power m is equals to 1 by am. So the minus 6 is converted into the plus 6.